We are back with another video. I got myself a camera because we got stuff. So I got myself a camera, but sadly I can't figure out how to take a video on it. So we're just gonna take a video on my tablet. Simpler, easier, and better. Alright, before I open this big bad boy, we're gonna open this Sun Moon Guardians Rising thing. Pack.
And it's me. I'm playing Roblox.
He's playing Roblox right now.
Kill the Killers and Area 51.
So yeah, that's what he's doing right now. Alright. There's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Hey, we got a Slowpoke, Stuffle, Salandit, Mudbray, Light, Energy, Watchdog, Weeping Bell, Multi-Switch, Lilligant, and
Actually, you know what?
Wishcash.
I'm gonna play.
Now, we'll set this
Marvel
aside.
Champions. Oh, and Pokemon.
And now we're gonna open up this big bad boy. So I'm gonna turn on my
I
camera.
already got the plastic slit for mine.
And I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Candy is the best thing. No, it isn't. Pokemon is. Oh, and guys, did you comment?
But
Did you leave a comment down
There we
below?
go. And now I will power it off. Alright, now, make sure you guys left a comment below on the last video. Because if you didn't, then, well, I don't know. Getting attacked by the Salandit or Rapper. So you can read on that. That's all the stuff. You could go ahead and pause it, but I'm not going to stay on it too long. Alright. That's a big thing. So much. Alrighty.
The heck?
What?
Wait, so you got a...
Camera and this.
That looks actually pretty cool.
You have the camera? Okay. I figured it out now. I figured it out, Mom. Alright, so... whatever that is. Yeah. I really want to...
You don't want to hurt.
Right, but... there we go.
Because, yes, I just want to show them.
Recard GX.
That. You can see it. It is a Buzzwole GX. I'm playing Pokemon.
Alright. Let's try and not hurt these cards because they're already bent up enough.
You got
Just pop right out. Xurkitree and Buzzwole. And then the coin.
Now the coin won't hurt. You can't hurt a coin unless you make damage.
Alright. Fritz Clyde. Steep Siege. Evolutions. Sun and Moon. Base set. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. Oh, so much stuff and no one said it.
Yeah.
Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion, and Burning Shadows and Guardians Rising.
You have so many Pokemon cards here.
Thank you. Alright. So we'll go oldest to newest by however I can tell. There's that.
Whoa, this is so heavy, yo.
Here's a code that
Where are
I
you
would
gonna
like to
make?
keep.
Oh,
Give
you
my
should
back.
make that Right there. You should
We'll
make
just have to
that
wait and
a
see.
thing.
Alright, I'm gonna go. We'll just to newest
wish
show.
I
Nana.
What? Oh.
Careful. Alright, I'm gonna go Fates Collide first, then Steam Siege, then
Can I
Evolutions.
open one?
No.
Well.
No. Okay. Because if you wanted one, you could have bought it yourself.
One,
two,
yeah,
three.
2.
2. See, we have a Bronzor. Bronzor's good. Seal. Snarber. Narbow. Fennekin. Jigglypuff. Kabuto.
Tappy Coco.
No, Kabuto.
Kabuto.
Pokemon Fan Club. Altaria, Spirit Link, Random Receiver, and Grumpig.
Well, that's kind
Now,
of
Steam Siege.
Why Steam Siege?
Because we're going oldest to newest.
Okay, so all of this is old, and then these ones are new.
Basically, we got a Krogan, Tangela, Dino,
Come on,
Chimchar.
Chimchar.
Rufflet, Nidorino, Zwellius, Monferno, Jumpluff, and Primeape. That's for Evolutions.
None of that pack.
Come on, Evolutions, get us the Charizard. We want that Charizard.
Careful, don't open like this bit. They package these like
Right.
so
Weirdly.
I can't even describe it.
2,
Sorry if I'm in your way. I'm just getting
you are. We have a Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly, Magnemite, Magmar, Switch, Maintenance, Poliwhirl, and Farfetch'd. Because that's totally Farfetch'd. Now, time for Sun and Moon base set. And then after that, it's Guardians Rising, then Burning Shadows, then Crimson Invasion.
After that is this.
Yeah, sit down. Okay. Put down. Yeah. I told you the first time. Go over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into. Because it's Sun and Moon, you know. We got a Skarmory, Cutiefly, Drowsy, Rowlet, Lonely Grimer, Energy, EXP Share, Pelipper, Krokorok, Parasect, and Dragonite Hollow. Rare. So, I'll just stick that in the same pile.
They have a bunch of
This one
and
tight.
there's foil.
5 minutes and 14 seconds. So I gotta fly by these ones real quick.
What is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, and
Is
2.
this all you have, or?
Alright, we got a Salandit. Nosepass. Taillow. It isn't really looking that good for us. Rockruff. Goomy. Send that to Mikey. By the way, shout out for Durium's Pokemon. You should go watch them. Max Potion, because they open a lot of Pokemon. Lampent, Alolan Vulpix and Wishy-Washy GX.
You already have one.
Sadly. I wish I didn't. But that's 3 GXs. Now on to Burning Shadows. We have 3 packs left, including this one, so.
Hopefully I'm better than you. Ah. It's just like I don't want to die. Am I right? Robin,
Yeah.
he will eat you.
Quick. Alright, I gotta seriously fly by these packs, so I'm just gonna do this. We didn't really get anything right there. See? Just
You got
a
Scorpion.
bunch of cards.
You got Scorpion.
And heck, why not? We'll give out a code. This is a Burning Shadows code. There you go.
Sorry
That's
if
whoever.
it's bad.
That's to whoever gets.
Okay, look.
Yeah.
11:22. We're gonna have to do another part. Okay.
No, I won't. Not if I can help it. Alright. Nothing in this pack. Another code. There we go.
Okay. 50. You want me to open it?
Yep. And nothing else. Bye.